The complete guide to hot tub water testing: why twice weekly testing saves you money. Many hot tub owners skip regular water testing, thinking they can tell if something is wrong just by looking at their water. This is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. By the time water looks cloudy or smells off, damage has already begun to your equipment, filters, and even your hot tub shell. Testing your water twice a week takes less than 30 seconds but prevents hundreds of dollars in repairs and chemical corrections. Understanding pH and alkalinity is the foundation of hot tub chemistry. Your pH should stay between 7.2 and 7.8, the sweet spot where sanitizers work effectively and your skin stays comfortable. When pH drifts too high, chlorine becomes nearly useless at killing bacteria. When it drops too low, your water becomes corrosive and starts eating away at seals, gaskets, and metal components. Alkalinity acts as a buffer, keeping your pH stable between tests. Sanitizer levels are equally critical but often misunderstood. Whether you use chlorine or bromine, maintaining consistent levels is more important than hitting exact numbers. A hot tub with steady 3 ppm chlorine is healthier than one that swings between 1 and 5 ppm. These fluctuations stress the water chemistry and create windows where bacteria can thrive. The HTReminder app takes the guesswork out of water testing by analyzing your test strip photos and telling you exactly what chemicals to add. Simply snap a picture, and the AI calculates precise dosages based on your hot tub size and current readings. Download it free on Google Play and stop wasting money on chemical overdoses and emergency water changes.